What's up guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Synevra Ultra Lift before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Synevra Ultra Lift works. What is Synevra Ultra Lift? Synevra Ultra Lift is a premium anti-aging facial cream formulated with advanced peptides, hyaluronic acid, and collagen-boosting ingredients designed to firm, lift, and rejuvenate a mature skin. Its scientifically backed blend works to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, restore skin elasticity, brighten complexion, and provide deep hydration, helping you achieve a visibly smoother, firmer, and more youthful glow. Who is Synevra Ultra Lift for? Synevra Ultra Lift is ideal for anyone experiencing visible signs of aging such as wrinkles, sagging skin, loss of firmness, or dullness. It's perfect for those seeking a non-invasive, daily skincare solution to restore youthfulness, boost confidence, and maintain radiant, lifted skin. How to use Synevra Ultra Lift. Apply a small amount to clean, dry skin on your face and neck each morning and evening. Gently massage in an upward motion until fully absorbed. For optimal results, use consistently as part of your daily skincare routine. Money-back guarantee and shipping for Synevra Ultra Lift. 60 days guarantee.